Try some of these supposed cable gun locks for firearms. Got this little pink one, courtesy of my sister. Okay. The bottom of the keyway here. Jimmy Long's regular rounded hook. One. Two. Three. We're open. Okay. This is by Springfield Armory, firearm manufacturer. Do the same thing. Bottom of the keyway. Same Jimmy Longs, rounded. Got one. Two. Three. What I miss here? One. Two. Overset something here. This is usually a quick open. Well, I guess the main point here is that any child, a bit of tenacity and persistence is gonna one, two, pin three, pin four, and we're open. So that one took me a little bit longer, but firearms are not safe with these. Happy Mini Lock Monday. Stay safe. Lock up your firearms. Rock and roll.